Saving water is precious, but learning about FireWise could literally save your life. And to me, FireWise is where WaterWise was 30 years ago. 30 years ago, people didn't really know what it was. Now people go, oh yeah, it means you use a certain type of mulch and you use plants that use less water. It's really filtered down through the community. Well, we're at the absolute beginning stage of that with FireWise. We're not here to say you have less of a garden, you have a different type of garden. And just like WaterWise, there is some key principles with a FireWise garden. And the good news is, if you are passionate about WaterWise gardening, which hopefully you are, and you've broken through the idea that WaterWise means you have to compromise the species, of course you know that's not the case. Well, it's exactly the same with FireWise. It doesn't mean that you have less of a garden, it just means you have different features and structures within there. Focusing on that, what we call the fire safe zone, the asset protection zone, that 20 to 40 metre area around your home. Because if a fire comes, and it's probably a question of when a fire comes, you hopefully have done all the work to know that you can stay and defend if you need to. You never know why you may have to stay. So I believe always, as an absolute minimum, you have as your backstop, you create a defendable space. So the garden you're enjoying today, and hopefully you are enjoying it, is showing you the key principles of what we call a FireWise garden.